Hey, good afternoon, guys. This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And this is the Clay Way. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing, clicking the notification, sharing my videos, liking my videos, and sending me wonderful comments. At the very least, if you don't mind, when you find the part of the video that you're looking for, just turn the volume right down and let me ramble. Remember, if anyone else can do it, you can do it too. So me and Jeff have a 2009 Volkswagen Passat station wagon, but this is going to be the same for your Volkswagen Passat regular sedan. I'm not sure of the years. I'm going to look them up. I'll put them down in the descriptions down below. So we're going to check for motor mounts. What we got going on is the complaint is that when this gentleman hits a bump, he can feel his wheel do a little bit of this number. So we've already done some checks, but we're going to go through some things and show you guys how to check and make sure your wheel is not acting funny. It seems like the struts are good. Seems like the tie rods are good. Ball joints are good. Control arm bushings are good. So now we're going to check for motor mounts, and how we do that is we start up the vehicle, we put our foot on the brake, we make sure we have our wheel studs located down inside there so we're able to actually brake the engine, and then Jeff is going to move it into the reverse position, and he's going to hold his foot on the brake, and he's going to give it a little bit of gas. And if we got a bad motor mount, our engine should raise. Okay, so we don't have that one bad, so now he's going to go ahead and put it in drive and do the same procedure with this foot on the brake. Make sure that you have somebody you trust. Now, we don't have a broken motor mount, but there's one more underneath the car that we need to check out and see if there's anything doing. If we had a bad broken motor mount, this engine would raise up this way or like this. This procedure is the common procedure for checking any vehicle. Doesn't matter what you have. We also look at this mount right here. Generally, there's an engine mount there. There's a tranny mount over here. There might be a mount up here, and there might be a mount back there. I got to crawl underneath the the vehicle to check one more part. Get down underneath here. We've got it up on secure jack stands, and I paid Jeff last week, and he wants to get paid this Friday, so I'm not too worried about him hurting me. And we're going to check a mount that is located right here. Now, Jeff's going to put it here just like he did. And, oh, bam! There we go. That's our problem right there. That one is bad. We're going to have to fix that. It's probably what's causing the steering vibration. We did have a little bit of play inside the steering gearbox, but we're definitely going to fix that one first and see if that takes care of it. Now, in another video, we're going to show you how to fix that, but hopefully it shows you where your wobbly steering wheel was. Check that out on your car. Do it the same way. Please consider subscribing. If you got a question for me, hit me up on Clay's AC and Auto Repair. I'll be happy to try to answer them for you. God bless you guys. Remember, if anybody else can do it, you can do it too.